Let's create a flow that can control your Tello drone's camera. Make sure you name the flow before you begin, and then let's drag in 2 inject nodes, 2 button nodes, a change node, 2 function nodes, and I'm putting them in the general array of how we'll need them. A UDP out node, a link in node, and comment node. These comment nodes can be used to help you keep everything that's going on straight. For now, we're going to focus on part 1 of the flow. So let's put a comment up. Part 1, photo commands. Click done. Then let's edit our timestamp nodes, or inject nodes. Instead of timestamp, we're looking for Boolean true. Our buttons should also send a payload of Boolean true, and they need to be configured. For this first button, we're going to name it Tello Low Level Connect, which it's going to be the one that tells the drone to connect to your Raspberry Pi or other device and start listening for commands. It will be on our dashboard, so we need to add a new UI group, edit it. Let's name this group drone image and create a new tab named Tello camera. All done. Now keep the same group and tab, but name this button Take Picture and configure it to send Boolean true. Next, let's edit our change node. Yeah, name it Take Picture and have it set message.payload to a JSON and paste this text, which is available in the directions or the section below. Next, configure this function node. Name it Send Connection Request. Delete any text that's already there. And paste this text. Leave the output the default one and click Done. Then configure the section function node. It should be named Take Picture because all these nodes here are just pieces in the process to get the pictures taken. And then paste this text. Leave the outputs the default one and click Done. Next, let's configure the UDP out node. It should send a UDP message to port 8889 with a destination address of 192.168.10.1 using IPv4 protocol. Change this to bind to local port not randomly because it should bind specifically to 52955. Click Done. Now, the last step is to connect all these up. You can either use the inject or the buttons to start taking pictures or connecting to the drone. Of course, you have to connect to the drone before taking pictures will work. Quickly, let's check out the UI we just made. Here's our dashboard, and we need to deploy in order for our notes to show up. It's great to deploy often, simply to save your flow so that your work does not get lost. Here we have it, take picture and low level connect. Next, we'll explore how to create the flow that will receive the pictures from the Tello drone. And then part 3 will be decoding those pictures and sending them to the dashboard. So stay tuned for the next and keep up the great work.